Chile, 1958. I like Chile. Mine, I haven't been there for years. Remember a small hotel room in Santiago de Chile, waiting for my ship to come in. I also used the sink as a temporary lover. A cleaner came in, she helped me finish my need, said she once had been a nurse, thought I was in love, invited her for dinner, believing that love's physical manifestation was disentangled. But no, she was married, swore me to secrecy. It cost me $10. She should have paid me for my silence. Next day, as I stood hesitant by the sink, there was a knock on my door. Pretended to clean my hands, said, "Enter." It was Walter, the plumber. He had come to fix a blocked sink.